Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Krishna. Today in this video, I will give you the answers for second assignment in system design through Verilog. For the first assignment, I have already given. Okay, this is the first assignment video. Please, if you are the first time visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, before going to video, I want to tell you something. That is, please don't copy these answers directly. Please listen the lecture videos and make sure you go to the assignment and solve your problems by your own. Then only you come to this channel. Then refer that answers. Just compare. If you found any wrong or something is missing in my video, please comment that. Okay. Then okay. Please don't copy that. I will give you the explanation also. Please refer that. Okay, go to course. Please don't blindly follow me. Here is the first question. Which of the following statement is true with respect to structural Verilog code for half adder? Options is no wire is required, one wire is required, two wires are required, three wires are required. Okay. Here is the half adder. This is here we go for this is the design of half adder. Here we using one XOR gate and one AND gate for half adder. Here we never use any wires. These X and Y are the two terminals and S and C are the outputs only. So here in a half adder we are not using any wires. Okay, so first option is right. No wire is required. Sorry, no wire is required. Then the structural Verilog code of full adder can be obtained by here full adder. For the full adder, installing the options is installing the half adder code once and using an AND primitive. Okay, we have to do for that. For full adder, okay, in these options we have to observe that in all options half adder is used. So we go to the full adder by using half adder. This is a full adder using half adder. In this we are using two half adders. This is a half adder, this is the second half adder, and here using only one OR gate only. In Verilog also we have written only two half adders and one OR gate. Yes, so we are using two half adders, installing the two half adders and one OR gate. The second option is correct. Installing the half adder, installing the half adder code twice and the last option is correct. Okay, installing the half adder code twice and using an OR primitive. Okay, then go to the third question. The 2's complement of 0000 is stored in a 4-bit register. Okay, R. The contents of R would be, here we have to find the 2's complement for 0000. For the finding 2's complement, the method is only one thing. First we have to find the 1's complement for given number and add 1 to that number. Okay, the given number is 0 0 0 0. Okay, for this 1's complement one's complement is one's complement for that 1 for 0 0 0 0 all zeros, okay, all ones. This is the one's complement. For 2's complement we have to 1 to that result, okay, plus 1, okay, the result is 1 plus 1 1 0, carry is written here, the result is 0, and 1 plus 1 carry is 1, sum is 0, and 1 plus 1 1 0 1 0, 1 plus 1 1 0 1 0. Here it is the end around carry, okay, end around carry. Okay. All are zeros. Here neglect the sign of the result because all are 0. 0 means the decimal value is also 0. For a decimal value 0, 0 doesn't have any sign, so result is 0 0 0 0. Okay, option A is correct. And then go for fourth question. The structural Verilog code for 4-bit 2's complement binary adder or subtractor can be obtained by. Here also we have to find that how many triple carry adders are used and how many other gates, anything that are XOR, NOT, and AND, or XOR, XNOR. What is that? We have to find that. Okay, for finding we have to refer that 4-bit 2's complementary binary adder or subtract 2's complement. Okay, 4-bit adder or subtract. Okay, 4-bit adder or subtract. Okay, 2's complement. Here it is the binary adder or subtractor. Okay, here it is 4-bit binary adder or subtractor. In this, what we are using that, it is better to refer the Verilog code. Okay, this is the Verilog code. Here we are using XOR codes 1 2 3 4. Here we are using 4 XOR gates and 4, and here also some 4 plus 4 8 XOR gates and 1 AND gate, 1 NOT gate with 2 4-bit triple carry adder also. So 2 4-bit triple carry adders and 8 XOR gates and 1 AND gate, 1 NOT gate. Okay, then is there any one extra? Okay, no. Here are the options. Here we using 4-bit triple carry adder once, no, twice. Okay, here 4 not 4 XOR gates, instantiating 4-bit triple carry adder twice. Okay, first condition, and this is correct. And 8 XOR gates. Okay, 1 NOT gate and 1 gate, 1 AND primitives. Okay, this is the correct answer for that. Then the structural Verilog code for 2x2 binary multiplier can be obtained by. Okay, here also we have to find the how many gates and how many triple carry adders are any other. 2x2 versus 2x2 multiplier, 2-bit multiplier, that is 2x2 binary multiplier. Here by observing this figure, 2 half adders and 4 AND gates only we are using. 2 half adders, 4 AND gates. Instantiating 2 half adders, 2 not that, instantiating 2 half adders and 4 AND gates. Okay, this is correct. And please refer 2 options also. Instantiating 2 adders, 2 AND gate, not that 4 AND gates. Instantiating full adders. Okay, this is the wrong answers. Okay, here is the B is the correct answer. The minimum number of 4-bit triple carry adders required to realize 4/3 multiplication. Here we have to find the number of 4-bit triple carry adders to realize the 4/3 multiplication. For that we refer this PDF. 4/3 multiplier. It is the 4/3 multiplication. Here we are using two 4-bit ripple carry adders. RCA means ripple carry adders. Here is the first RCA and it is the second 4-bit RCA. Whether we can check that in Verilog code also. It is a Verilog code for 4/3 multiplication. Here also we written only 4-bit RCS 2. Okay, that is M1 gate and M2 gate. We have named as M1 and M2. Okay, so that 2 is the answer. 2. Then the structural Verilog code for 1-bit comparator. Here also same. Today all questions are same pattern. How many number of gates are required for that operation? Okay, 1-bit comparator. Comparator means it compares the input values, that is equals to the both are equal or someone is greater or someone is lesser. Here for 1-bit comparator we using one XNOR. The bubble we have to recognize that. So remember that this is not XOR gate. It is an XNOR gate. One XNOR and 2 AND gates and 2 NOT gate also. In Verilog code also we have defined that one XNOR, 2 NOT gates, 2 AND gates. So one XNOR, 2 NOT, 2 NOT or not AND gates. Okay, the fourth option is correct. One XNOR, 2 NOT gates and 2 AND gates. Last question. A 2-bit comparator can be realized. This is the same question for 2-bit comparator. It is a 2-bit comparator. Okay, here we can get we using two 1-bit comparators are 2 M1 M2 and then AND gates are 3, OR gates are 2. In Verilog code also, this is a Verilog code. Here also 1-bit comparators are 2, AND gates are 3, OR gates are 2. Okay, 1-bit comparators are 2 1-bit comparators, 3 AND gates, 2 OR gates. I think that is the correct. AND gates are 3, OR gates 2. Okay, so 2 1-bit comparators, 3 AND gates, 2 OR gates. Second option is correct. Yes. Okay, these are the 8 questions. I will repeat. Don't follow me blindly. Please refer the lecture videos and practice yourself and compare with these results. Then only you have to submit. If you found any wrong information or wrong answers, please comment below this video. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel. Further videos I will do, but please subscribe and share to your friends. Don't forget subscribe my channel. This is my channel, and hit the bell icon also. For bell icon you get a notification when I upload a new video. And one thing guys, If you want to explain anything in this related to this course, please comment or mail me. This is the mail id mnrkrishna15@gmail.com. I will make video on that. I will give you the full clarity. Okay, if you want revision that, please comment below. This is the first video. Here only
not is equals to 4bz001. Okay, is equals to p. Here
thank
the
you guys.
answer is,
Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.